Okay, students, so did you finish underlining?
No,
Yalla, Judy, please don't be late, okay?
no, I didn't. I write these,
The date?
but I didn't write the date.
طيب يلا, write the date يا جوري. So today is Tuesday, 27 April
No.
2021.
Yep. ESTAY.
Okay, so yalla, follow up with me. A sentence. Do you remember what is a sentence? It's a group of words that have full meaning.
The sentence is a group of words that tell that complete idea.
Excellent, Yanaja. Do you remember before we took the naming part of a sentence or the subject? Today we are going to take the action part or telling part. A sentence has an action part or telling part. It tells what a person or thing does. So a sentence has an action part or telling part. It tells what a person or thing does. Okay, let us see this example here. The ox helps. The naming part is the ox. The sentence talks about the ox. And now we need to know, what does the ox do? The ox helps. So this is the action part. It tells us what does the ox do. Okay? Did you get the idea, students? I will repeat it again. Please listen to me well. All of you listen to me. Okay. The ox helps. Okay, Zainab, the ox helps. The ox is the naming part. The sentence talks about the ox. Now we need to know, what does the ox do in the sentence? What does the ox do, ya Zainab? Zainab, can you hear me? Zainab, yalla, get up and talk with me. What does the ox do, ya Zainab? In this sentence, what does the ox do?
The ox helps.
Yes, so what does the ox do? It helps. Yes, so helps is the action part, isn't it, Yajuri?
Yes.
Where's the action part in the ox helps?
Gives.
Here, the ox helps. Where's the action part?
Oh, sorry. I thought there's the cow.
Where's the verb?
Help.
Excellent. The verb is helps. So the verb tells us, what does the ox do? The ox helps, or it helps. But why did we add s to the helps, Yajuri? Why do we add s?
Because ox is one.
Yes, we have one ox. What can we put instead of ox? He, she, or it?
It.
Okay, excellent, Yajuri. Thank you, dear. So let us complete the second sentence. He pulls the wagon. He pulls the wagon. Okay, can you read it, Yamar Hajjar? Yes, he pulls the wagon. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Wait, Judy, your friend is talking. Yalla, can you say it, ya Omar? Can you read it, please? Amura, this sentence, can you read it? Yalla, I'm waiting you.
He brought the wagon.
Excellent, ya Amar Hajjar. He pulls the wagon. طيب, where is the naming part in this sentence, ya Omar? I want the naming part, not the action. Where's the naming part?
Pull.
The name, I'm asking about the name. Who is pulling?
He.
Excellent. So the naming part is he. So after that, we need to know what he is doing. In order to know the action part, we need to ask ourselves what he is doing. What does he do? Yes, Amura? He pulls.
He pull.
So where's the action part?
He pull.
Excellent. Pulls. Pulls is the action part. Pulls the wagon. So this is the action part of the sentence. Here's the action part of the sentence. Pulls the wagon. Okay, so let us make a small revision on these two sentences. So please students, all of you listen to me. The first one, the ox helps. Okay, so the first sentence is the ox helps. Okay, so the naming part is the ox. Let us ask ourselves, the ox, is it singular or plural, ya Ahmed Azmouz?
Plural.
Count them. How many oxes we have? Yes, Ahmed. Do we have one ox or many oxes?
One ox.
So it's singular. One ox. What it takes? It takes he, she, or it?
It.
Excellent. So the ox takes it. So because the naming part is singular, because we have it, then we add us to the action part, helps. The ox, what does the ox do? The ox helps. In order to know the action part, we need to ask ourselves, what does the naming part do in this sentence? The naming part, which is the ox, helps. And we add us because the ox is singular. Okay? Second sentence, he pulls the wagon. He is the naming part. He is singular. And then we ask ourselves, what does he do in the sentence? You need to know, what does he do in the sentence? He pulls. And we add us because the naming part is singular. We add us to the action part because the naming part is singular. So the action part is pulls the wagon. The wagon. Okay, time is up, students. Time is up, okay? Tomorrow, we're gonna continue.